trouble. Fight worries with worship. Fight your anger with affection. Because love covers multitude of sin. If you're angry with somebody, then love them. If you're angry with yourself, then love them. If you're angry with life, then love life. Kung ayaw nyo, di, pumunta kayo ka, no? Justin Bieber. Love yourself. Di ba yung lagi kinakanta ni Clyde Lata eh? You have to fight your vices with vision. Because vices destroys your future, while vision, it sees your future. When you have a vision, you are going to take care of yourself. Because vision sees a bright future. Hello? You have to fight your ego with eagerness to submit, eagerness to be humble, eagerness to love, to show kindness to others. You have to fight your sorrow with serenity or serenity. Sorrows, it seems that even though there is no trouble outside, but you are being troubled inside of you. But serenity is calmness inside. No matter how troubled you're outside, if there is peace inside, then you will be okay. Fight the waves of this life with the waves of God's mercy. And this is because of you. This is because of God's mercy. This is not because of you. That you will be able to worship God in times of trouble. How can you sing when you know you are in trouble? How can you sing when you're suffering? How can you sing when you are in pain? How can you sing when you are grieving? How can you thank God when you are in crisis? It is so impossible. But because of God's mercy, you can do all things. Because of God's grace, it's not because of you, mga kaibigan. Fight the waves of life with the waves of God's mercy. Learn to worship God in your chaos. Show affection. Try to love yourself, to love people when you are angry. Or just think that the Lord loves you, no matter how bad you are. Fight your vices with vision. Fight your ego with eagerness. To say, Lord, I have struggled with my pride, but how am I going to deal with it? Help me, Lord. And the moment you do that, you are humbling yourself already. You are admitting that you cannot do it by yourself, but only by the mercies of God. Fight your sorrow. Fight your sorrow. Ito po ang sinabi po ni Lord sa bayang Israel through Jeremiah, the prophet Jeremiah. Sabi niya, do not fear. Do you not fear me, declares the Lord? Do you not tremble in my presence? I made the sun a boundary for